Vaughn Gittin Jr. here, and I am pumped because Matt is the winner of the K&N Premium Experience, and he has no idea that I'm gonna take him for a lap around the streets of Long Beach. Yo, what's up?
Dude, what's up, man?
Is your name Mac?
Yeah?
This envelope has upgraded VIP tickets for you, a track walk, meet and greet, which we're doing right now.
Dude, are you serious?
Yep. And if you're down, I will take you for a hot lap in my Mustang.
That would be the coolest
around
thing
the track.
ever. Are you freaking serious?
I'm
right
serious, bro.
now? Oh my
I'm
God.
serious. I love smiles on faces.
I honestly just am so speechless. Like, that was the coolest thing ever. Literally the best day of my life.
He was really like, I bet you won't take the bumper off. And I was like, okay.
He did it. He did
Fair enough, here we are.
It was so cool. Thank you.
Congrats, big thanks to K&N for putting smiles on faces, not only with amazing product, but with experiences like this. So you guys are killing it. Keep it up.